Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified.
Jesus Christ. Ne yere, ne ma, ne busua, ne danfo, ne schoolmates, ne plan. Look, do you know how many judges you love to put? Me, I've encountered more than 15 judges. But me gonna make sure say mo ye cowards. Mo ye criminal souls because they are to call no mo pe. Eso mo suro. Ehufo, me catch them. Enti no toko no we a look at what the chama Wontumi. Enti no there Uber first year no is hurting, destroying, sacking. Enti no me koso nia na che say Mahamã ni bibi papa. And the better worst second year. Because who didn't hear? Currently as we speak, no. All the appointees and people who are with Mahamã, no. I try to say who say Mahamã beko.
It's almost with the idea.
Inti obeko inti no. There's so nya in terms of so nako. Mahamã era na ekono. Oh trust.
And you guaranteed. So that you was supposed to be.
Yes, because all kono. Or didn't call for the ekono. Kaka wenya no. I saw bomb back. And as I say no, I saw mu more. And to what here, they have now stopped doing the party job and they are doing their pocket job.
Yes.
I'm online corruption be an omo you. And you know all these things in Yano. Actually say Mahamã second year.
Obebre.
And the third year the West was that another prime minister started.
Let's not start to put at that.
You and you know
jogging and touring.
Fourth year no so na ekoto aba. And then na Mahamã who say Charlie mo mobo so mo transfer mo force Mahamã baby papa. Mahamã aligning the government in the same way say we recover the lost over 2016 car until 2020 ni Ibrah Mahamã ni cool and sponsor no sponsorship anything Ibrah edi kutin e wo ho the way mo can say ofurata so sponsor na do no into no currently no the one who is actually in control of this government is Ibrah Mahamã. What Ibrah Mahamã says is final. Say na mo can say government that's happening. Me catch you hwe Wontumi ase me me I can't me solution, but I can't give you the solution. You can't solution. Wontumi say look. What him say? Me di Wontumi ni Ibrah Mahamã case e wo court. Ma chom mu for 5 years. Ma frustrate him. E wo court general division 4.
Okay.
Ibrah Mahamã sue Wontumi and oh shit the hatred in the red. And the way their lawyers come and the way they push the judge. I mean, me a master practitioner.
Tactician.
Me kwa na frustrate him. Me frustrate him na sa judge no. Onim say ya promote no.
Eko high court.
Just lordship dogu.
Okay.
On the first person I promote no.
Okay.
No. So court of appeal.
Okay. So no a high court judge.
Me ye case with high court judge. Audience am no. Nya audience am no. Ya promote no.
Eko court of appeal.
Case no so no be deal. Next week be court. Enti me na me say hey Ibrah Mahamã minute am Wontumi. Na the moment Ibrah Mahamã minute am Wontumi no.
Aye ehu.
Da we can John bia no me. Enti the judiciary as it stands now, they are in control. And they do what me let's put it on record. Me na me bomb pie. It's here animal farm judge.
Papa no.
Yes. Na me ni weak points. Meaning baby ofi nema mini one on so onim pa on the judge
meba
enti unim ba okay
meba we dey beja wo mo ja mo chefi tell ya mo say enti no you beja wo for the meantime
that be menja so me can say ma
okay
I'm a lawyer.
Yes,
I say things I don't implicate myself.
Of course.
Know somebody who have sat on national television 2012 currently me by won't say benya sem da won't say aframe da I don't
obi confirm the na work and was saying was say Miriam Benjamin Danso or Birmingham UK was say lawyer said this around February 2025.
Yes,
I personally watched that program live. Not only the Japan's name was mentioned, rather he mentioned to reconcile with a lot of people, including Reverend Usu Bempa and the Efuashwa. Was say was she?
Yes,
was so bobo.
Yeah, me say me person me reconcile. And what I'm saying is that animal fan judge no. I was so surprised that ruling ni buy no. Now expose who he is. And currently, no, a lot of judges, are afraid of this current government. A lot of judges, because if he can remove their leader with so ease, one hand, Enti na what am be can say chama want to be case no. Judge be otan so bia me bon pai say all the prepare be ye. Na and then they are cover. But can they pon? Me tell mo chita for.
Yes.
What I say? If you think you win, this kind of propaganda is not going to help. Who is loyal or example? Me one person I match them again. But me for me video. Na mo edit no. Na mo de capture no. Enti mo say na ampa ba hard at Kennedy point. Na who cause am? Say sir, kadema American come in kan o. I shall me ho. Kennedy point is not ripe. Currently, it's not marketable. You to be tono. Kennedy, you ton Kennedy Ghana phone talk. What me behind by Oma? But me in the camp. But me obia me better be influence people me wefu. Until me come again. Until me trust me say no. Kennedy man be bu free before 2024. Till me kebi man. But they be ani kemu no ma hurt no. Obi also akwa say reconcile with Kennedy.
Yes.
Until me man reconcile. But me use me platform.
Yes.
Now this time no me who say it's not about attacking personalities.
Yes.
Because anything can happen. That Kennedy could win here. And you know, may by out now to say that look, I was those times against Kennedy.
Yes.
But I am saying that Kennedy no say no. Wabaya presidential candidate material. First, my position was that he is not a presidential material. Period. Because
that was 2023.
2024. My position was that on that soon to be a president. Kennedy tongue abeka say in say parliamentary cramp or jato.
Aye.
And now one year presidential things. On say we are saying no Baumia Nanado Kufo because what that vision they eat, act and do everything like presidential materials. Yes. Into what here omokasemu. But once a Kennedy ever tono so nim so be president and can maybe one could be one I did attempt to be one maybe what can a handsome and konye. Into what here Baumia knowing well where it's coming from into know what was preparing life.
Yeah.
I for two.
Yes.
If you are in opposition, brother, then not we form man like yes, no one take
it. Yes.
One time by them. You it's in the young say good. They had that. But Kennedy did ever tone. And ever tone no. What we say? A lot of baggage are problematic at that time.
Yeah.
And to me catch say Kennedy. This time is not good for you to come and buy. Ever to me starting a rebranding. And they coming to 2024, I say, oh, Kennedy, I look as if they say no sort of two boom no. All the supporters no. Now I don't care when the supporters are two boom but put the presidential material no. I saw stand out. And the say because I Kennedy and me be move to reconcile with Kennedy. This video was to say oh Kennedy show maturity now.
Okay.
Kennedy is showing say your presidential material. And you know NPP we must all accept him say anything can happen. Okay. And I was trying to make sure say that anti-Kennedy element, no, I kill it. Okay. But not to endorse.
But how was this video?
It was this year.
Early this year.
This year. But I'm imagine some message so.
Okay.
And I'm imagine say this time no. Me ko bo Kennedy yem. Tell me yeah. Previously no.
Because I feel no was what turn it down.
Say no. Me person obi die bufo be ka say ba omi ato obi a. So me position no me person obi ka say me ti Wontumi homo no ba omi ato obi a. Enti I wanted to be more reconsideratory like me yana Kennedy mo say ye nya ye ba ko because that's the call of Baumia. Baumia was saying that mo me nya ye nya atemidie no na ye we no enti me person Kennedy Crawford who say me the lawyer pa there me be ma no am anti. Enti I have to tell people say Kennedy apology, but it's not endorsement. Currently, as I speak right now, I don't believe and think say Kennedy Pond is ripe now. Currently, maybe you don't know. Well, we are in a very difficult time where NDC a winning power no. Omo ye party they are taking the party through pain, emotional trauma, and they are bent on retaining power and also making sure say they get their aids. Now you need somebody who and your fans are not trying to when you come to omo obi any what experience just about me. Until we need somebody like Mahamã. Mahamã beba no. Now other presidential candidates no obi any experience like Mahamã. Until no almost silence so munya. Including for say
and they
brought the experienced Mahamã over 40 something almost okay a lot so over vote be at the hall when says I go to repeat here yes I repeat here and you know say about me to be pushing 41%. That for 1% I'm telling you they will never shift camp and you know I can't naipe
it who endorse I can't naipe I can't naipe
yes
hey omu bubu fu why some guys something they buy
no
and I would
me na me ko tell analysis no
okay
I did analysis on my show now me tell why we must maintain Kennedy Pong
no Dr.
Baumia sorry how we should maintain Dr. Baumia that is where I took all the aspirants and analyzed and I rubbished them
okay
I took when I say Duchum now me say you good nice man but when I say time is so here now ne when more on say on starting with vice presidency what I say and then ebeboano because president need too early he doesn't have the qualities now
okay
now me ba when I say
Kale Japan
dabi
friend is wanya Bra Japan
dabi we
Kwabra Japan
and then the American na ahwe me say
kwabra nka
me say uko two skegu
uko hokwa ye den
and na Brian no me can say Brian so da ben yeah na so be ye that's like I say who buy who trust say who nya wa dream Brian she says Brian person odi but then na ban e push is this because of money
okay
it means we can say Brian money me we can say Baumia because of the 41% no ono kwa it did no marketing and if so one shall be boss the market so yeah on maintaining the own and now no this time no the campaign the back akrebi because that 9% that you need no we will get a lot from one floating voters because they will be disappointed in Mahamã
by 2028
you it's even just a beefy ho they be a beefy NDC party be brave ho omo befu currently as I speak me finance man me ba nipa more than 12 omo hu me omo nya NDC for omo dwa dan so ma
MP no
reverend no omo say omo be trauma Baumia that's what they told
me first reverend
ado because what disappoint omo na omo ya NDC for omo say as na ni NPP fito mo so akira na mo fo say nya mo nya no na eye but and then mo say so until even NDC for ni bi any galam say the for ni bi will vote for Baumia then NPP for na do abufu ye no and na abufu no bebre ko not because party na bi da mo mo hwe say NDC for no more treaty the real NPP ni odono Oshu. They mash up. It is that 9%, but it is not Baumia that will win, but it's that you yes, I want. I'm sorry, no, but it is not Yempone be winning. Normally, it's the ruling government.
La capa, Shibra, Sikakra.
And you know be winning, but rather it's the ruling government that will lose elections. Mahamã is going to lose because one, he 1 year. Unim say. Agrobeso is our patutu. Look, every president be our utem, first time, and then a holding the war. First time ye show, upeso yeshua your first time. First time, the two was another. The first time no.
I was
you yeah 3 years. It was the COVID there no. Another had only 3 years so. 4 years no COVID period. The nation was shut down. Politics was shut down. Now who can then campaign? Everything was shut down. And then another was unfortunate to say the first 3 years no. On now the prove here. Nana mama waba. I will be person legacy no. First year. Jamais.
Let's say echo.
Nothing. And every step of in way no is hurting people the more.
Yeah.
The attempt to reset the judiciary no has left to damaging people's reputation. Look at what they have done to Tokonu. Tokonu, c'est Tokonu family be here NDC near.
Eti na said na meka no Oscar ubia busua mu asem meme kofie mahia asem because se me beto se sebe impreduasa menu afihima ya ade bia ensem fata na manka na ekere nko bi ekoye yi a ne mane ye me wo fa asefo so that ye ne ma me ye ne manka me koto se bia ɛkyena nko bi nema ya yi a ɛda me so so wasɛm yɛ da mi yiska de boa so that's here inti mpepi no ade bi because you be ka say emfa ye ho ebe wi ase no and I'm telling you honestly within this NPP party a omanka sa tena se na I aspirant no omachita for to be ma omo ho no the same hatred and as mu benya akonya ba ko betena akire dia ye de oteso na obu oman no eba sanso ya afati ye nyina so what you say it happened in the Kufuor government. Say, "Ubi and Pastor Beka, yeah, neutral people. We will sit here and tell them." So what you say? Edumrabi, okay, NPP are buying masem. Radio so say, and Yaman Koya. You got people baby just a message near the idea. But we have to tell them say, though you are a card bearer member of that political party. But so far as they can become a government out of this political party, I have every right. Said your more and your better your beka because at the end of the day, na ye jam mamu yana sana and rana yedin. Akwafa samabana a quick one. Na yanko delegate one top left. One was say enro amodia baba two say this year Ghana gold reserves na do 37.06 tons. Yembisa ya say Ghana has say Bank of Ghana any gold board for mining companies like I say Ghana say for no muto gold so muto gold they should come out and tell us. Oscar okay. What's that semen making? Bank of Ghana any gold board. Yembisa Newmont for Yembisa Anglo Gold Ashanti. Okay. Yembisa Takwa. Okay. Yembisa Prestia BGL. Okay. Yembisa Precious Mines I am free.
Such number of tons within this short period.
Yeah.
So I'm to free sa kese for no wa omon come
yenti. Right? I am totally against omo ye adwuma wo nsuo so. I am totally against omo ye adwuma wo nsuo so. But Oscar, na ya me yasa obi betran kran pa. Obi tinkran yo. Na waswale say insuo say men kan say insuo na say ne eya me kofi de ba mo tinkran ma kwale lagoon afi bia mongogo na mo ncheke sika e de te kwale lagoon ni
afi we kura o ma sa akọ
moto ball lagoon mu jam na igum ni nyina ko boy apunim na ye nyina asanso aba na ye yimu na maba me asanso ayeden awe you call this a healthy thing no better like Oscar me challenge professors Angela no pay so say what was who mercury white mercury da no come and tell me say enam to me mercury who told you what who mercury da me who mercury da
who challenge there
say mercury da for me say Oscar untimi fa on sample say emfa bisa obi a
adentia true
bisa me say bisa obi a sometimes when you criticize the asema you criticize no yeah so that's here ya ka asema ni mane ye
yeah ye nim na esa na enso yam hihye
ya ka asema ni mane ye
oni afi hima de ba bia mu free nti na mse wa mu kakra
obi ye we edeko TikTok
okay
very sensible content and pakro no eketi boy bi na yes ade no o se CS so na omo call say omo declare state of emergency e wo galamsey areas no so that's here sa energy na omo kita omo de yes ade no why don't they call on the government to create more jobs? So the Bayer Galamsey for no will come out to no my baby.
The president of crime said Oma the speech on this Galamsey issue or say Encrofonia but now before over call the state of emergency and whatever people are calling for no. As I say, thinking about jobs in the idea. Coffee.
Say Ghana Central Bank's gold reserve. Last one. Me pesa.
What maybe
Oko gold board for almost site. Also Ghana Central Bank gold reserves climbed to 37.06 tons by the end of September 2025, driven largely by the new Ghana gold board and its domestic procurement strategy. Me say opa mo ndi krese ye twagaram se mu ase Ghana dwuma bia ye bia baby esika free cham baby esika ye nyesika di free
benefo gitum o sansem we de kofi kasa okoso benefo gitum de esi obo ase bre bia
just to regulate people regulate amount for say your programs manager ofia kofi program we ni say Oscar ye program we say just to do that muntimi nyensa muntimi kanta sanko bonzo then you tell us you are competent people
fesi o mame mesa ba na afi wo de etwa so nsɛm no aba afi menim baabi a anɔpa newspaper review nsɛm no baabi a wofa
Poncha yɛbɛkyia atiefo
sɛ mahu sɛ mo hiti mo nti mɛma mo time
ɛba on sɛ yɛne a yɛfiri galamsey ase ba ne deɛ yɛnyɛ bi bɛrɛ yɛfiri hɔ
ba monim too much sɛ
yɛfiri hɔ yɛ papa mo sate anuase yɛ na bɛyɛ galamsey
ɛnyɛ firi hɔ koraa kɛkɛ sɛ
ɔboasenien convener ne nam soro na aboɔ ne nam so ne nyame ti PTP nya yɛ ho tie nim sɛ deɛ yes enti yɛnim galamsey me tutu ka yɛtu gala hɔ mame fa daily guide daily guide that lumba asɛm na meyɛ interested woman ɔpɛ yeah because I'm a family woman enti sɛ eduru abusua issues sei no a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma yɛnya yɛ ho nteaseɛ aware dodoɔ Ghana yɛmmra yɛamammerɛ mu no